This is Brickkiln Court, a project by Juniper Homes. We've got 10 townhouses and a block of apartments that's currently in construction. We had to find methods to meet tight building control regulations that came about 2 years ago, where there was an insistence on having renewable technologies in new build developments within Bristol. So Juniper approached us to find a solution to these problems. We've installed 4 kilowatt Mitsubishi air source heat pumps in each of the townhouses and 2.5 kilowatt PV systems on the roof. In the apartments, we're fitting a communal air source heat pump system where one air source heat pump provides all of the heating and hot water for the entire block of apartments, and the heat and hot water is metered into the apartments, which means that we've only got one piece of equipment to maintain.
There's an onus on us from a planning perspective to use as much renewable as we can, because we've got to achieve certain targets below building regulations threshold. So it's something that we've had to look into further. But I think we are motivated anyway as developers to build as sustainably as we can, because more and more consumers are looking for that in new build units. We've been working with Greenflare now for a number of years across several projects. Their help and advice is invaluable. They're great guys to work with, a huge level of trust between us. We lean heavily on them for their advice in terms of the right mix of renewable technologies to use on our developments to achieve the targets that we're looking for, from solar and air source heat pumps, batteries, and anything and everything else that we can be doing. We work with Greenflare on our Brickkiln development in eastern Bristol. So this is a part of town where sustainability is very high on everyone's agenda. So we saw an opportunity there to develop these units using renewable technologies and making them far more future-proof than the average housing stock there. So we worked closely with Greenflare. We used air source heat pumps and solar, and the result of that is that we've got really energy efficient properties. So yeah, the help and advice we've had from Greenflare on that has been fantastic.